Hello and welcome to Danish Pronunciation for Beginners. My name is Alan, and this is the first video of a row that I'm making for people who are just beginning to learn Danish. I've written a small dialogue. I'm going to repeat it a couple of times, and you can repeat it after me. Some of the words I've marked with a blue color. Those are words that you would that I would like you to pay special attention to. The letters marked with red is connected to the pronunciation focus of this video, and the pronunciation focus today or in this video is P, T, and K. P, T, or K. If P, T, and K is the first letter of a word, it's usually pronounced as it is, P, T, and K. But if these letters are in the middle or at the end of a word, something happens with the pronunciation often, not always, but most often. So P would be pronounced as a B, appelsin, stop. T would most often be pronounced as a D, rigtig, oftest, and K would often be pronounced as a G, drikker, Mikkel, mælk. Okay, here goes. Mikkel sidder på en café. Han venter på Ida. De skal på date. Er du Mikkel? And you can repeat after me. Ja, det er jeg. Så er du Ida. Ja, det er rigtigt. Hvad drikker du? Jeg drikker kaffe. En americano med mælk. And notice here the me. I don't say med with the D, I'm saying without. Med mælk. Det lyder godt. Jeg tager det samme. And again here, I don't say samme. I tend to say samme with one syllable. Jeg tager det samme. Jeg elsker kaffe. Hvad med dig? And note here as well, hvad med dig? Hvad med dig? Jeg drikker oftest te. De laver ret god kaffe her. Er du Mikkel? Ja, det er jeg. Så er du Ida. Ja, det er rigtigt. Og her and here, it's important that you pull D and R together to one word, one syllable. Det er rigtigt. Det er rigtigt. Hvad drikker du? Jeg drikker kaffe. En americano med mælk. Det lyder godt. Jeg tager det samme. Jeg elsker kaffe. Hvad med dig? Jeg drikker oftest te. De laver ret god kaffe her.